Okay, so today we're gonna do the Lantau Peak, which is on Lantau Island. So you gotta take the MTR first out to Tung Chung here at the orange line. And you get off on the MTR station, and then you jump on the bus, and then you start the hike. So first we're gonna walk from this mall. Let's get going. So we're gonna take number 23 here, going to the Gong Ping, but actually we're gonna get off on the way here to start the hike. So we're gonna go here to Pak Kung Au with bus 11A. Let's get going. Just get off this steep hill here, and we're ready to start the hike. So we're here now at the starting point, and you actually see the airport here in the background down there. Okay, let's get the hike started. And the steps have started on the way up to the hike, and the sun is shining through the leaves on the way up. Really nice. Let's get going. It's really calm and nice once you start getting up a bit, and you can see the peak up there. That's where we're going. So very different than downtown Hong Kong. You can even hear the wind blowing here. And they have the airport down there. Okay, we haven't really started going up yet, but it's quite a nice spot here. A bit windy. Really nice view.
Despite this crowded plastic echo chamber, mumbling along till half light. Slide the fader up and down. We love and hate the feedback loop that's shrieking up that comforts you. Why bother contradict? We'll melt down.
The sun is starting to set a little bit because it's in the afternoon, but it's super nice view here. Just took some drone shots. Gotta stop and just enjoy the view here sometimes. It's amazing. Okay, let's go for the final stretch up there to the peak. Well, I guess the one we saw earlier was actually not the peak. We have another one here, so, well, let's get going. Let's go up there.
Caught with my tongue tied, lost in a landslide, wandering outside, can't talk, don't have time.
Okay, so we made it, and it's kind of like a party of people up here. No wind, really beautiful view. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, a bit misty today, but still very nice. Okay, so that's only 1 hour 10 minutes, 2.4 kilometers, so not that far actually, quite nice. So down here is actually the big Buddha, but it seems to be under renovation. I guess not tourists now anyway, but we're gonna pass it by on the way down. Okay, so time to go down this way. Get those steps in and go back. Quite steep, so you definitely be quite careful.
Let a bottle of rosé remote control us. Baby, you and me can get lazy for the whole night. Cause every time we touch in slow motion. We ain't got to rush, got nowhere to go.
It's really peaceful here on the way down. You see the reservoir in the background. Really calm and nice. The air is kind of so today, but anyhow it's good to just be out in the nature. It's nice. Visibility is not that good today. Down here we can see the gondola on the far end. That's what we're gonna take down when we get there. Let's get there first. Okay, so it seems like we finally made it down here. almost back. And we take the gondola down. First we have some interesting stuff up here. I wonder what that is. Sometimes you can actually see some wild animals here. We'll see if they're here, if they're scared this time. Here we have some abandoned buildings in the middle of everything. Pretty strange. So different here than downtown Hong Kong. So nice to just change environment for a bit. Okay, 2 hours. Only 5.4 kilometers, but I was quite slow, so that's probably why. Finally made it here. So actually, according to Strava, I was only moving 1.5 hours. I was probably still doing some video for the rest of the time. But now again, head back and take a gondola down and enjoy the view. Here you can buy some overpriced snacks if you feel like it. Next to these statues. Quite nice now with the sunset. Drones flying everywhere. Local restaurants here, but I'm gonna save that for another time. After the hike, you can end up in this touristy village, but it's basically empty because there's no tourists now. You can actually walk down all the way to where we started, but I'm gonna take this cable car down and enjoy the view instead. Here you can actually find some animals walking around in the wild. It's pretty interesting. Hello. Just walking around here. Quite interesting. Next to the parking lot. Wow, some attack going on. Just gonna leave them alone here. Go back. Seems I was quite lucky here now. They're closing at 6, so it was a quite long line, 45 minutes. But now we're ready to go on here. Go back. Ooh, it seems like I got my own one. Nice. Perfect. That is very nice. Quite cool views here. There's supposed to be the Buddha up to the left here, but they're renovating it, so I guess there's nothing you can see here now. Nice sunset. So that's the peak I came down from. Now we're going down to the MTR again and then going home. Now we're gonna take a bit of a turn here, then you can actually see the airport in the background. Not very busy now due to natural reasons, but normally extremely busy. So I'm gonna leave you guys here with some views going down in the gondola to the MTR stations. But if you liked it, if you want some more shorter videos like this, showing some views and just some random stuff exploring, let me know. Give me a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.